Hey, Year 8, what can I say but wow, what an experience we've all just been through in the last few months. But you've done it. We've got to the end of the academic year and Year 8. By the next time I see you, you're going to be in Year 9. Some of you are going to be taller. Some of you are going to be talking like that. Can't wait. I've missed seeing you on a daily basis and our interactions that we would have had. I know over this period it's been challenging to say the least. I know sometimes you felt like giving up, you was demotivated, but you have kept going, and that is to be admired. You need to take pride in what you have just achieved, Year 8. It is outstanding. At this point of the year, I'll be recognising certain individuals about what they have achieved, but I felt that the whole year group needs a shout out from me. You have been amazing. You have shown integrity, you have grit, determination, and you have worked really, really hard, Year 8. I can't wait to see you back in school in September, and we are going to be back in school in September. As with every point of this year in an academic year, we are going to be saying goodbye to some members in the team. So first of all, we are going to be saying goodbye to Miss Gumundi. She's going off to another school. She has a head of department position. So Lambeth, I know you are going to miss her. She's going to give you a message in a moment. Also, Year 8, we're going to be saying goodbye to Miss Sykes. You know, Miss Sykes has been your deputy head of year for the past year. She also is going to be giving you a little message. I would like, if possible, to send her some messages and Miss Monday to say goodbye. They would love to get something from you. And that leaves me with the end of my message to say, Year 8, have a truly wonderful summer holiday. Whatever it may be that you're doing, rest up, try and have some fun, but most of all, keep safe, and I will see you back in September. Bye.
Hey, Year 8. So great to be able to talk to you after 16 weeks of not seeing your lovely faces, and you've been so missed by me and Miss Jones. But as she mentioned in her message to you a few moments ago, my message is going to be, at least in part, a goodbye. So I am going to be leaving the Bridge Academy at the end of this year. I've made that decision because I want to be closer to my family who don't live in London. And so my partner and I are going to be moving to Shropshire, to the countryside, to nearer where they live. And I'm really excited about that. It's been a long time that I've not lived nearer my family, but I'm really going to miss you. I'm really going to miss seeing you every day, seeing your smiling faces. I'm going to miss confiscating things from Kenan that he shouldn't have brought in, like his Christmas lights. I'm going to miss lovely Southwark. Shout out to you, teaching you each week, teaching you English. I've loved getting to know you better. You're a fantastic tutor group, and I know that you'll be well looked after next year in Year 9. And gosh, all of you are so impressive. Miss Jones and I want to reiterate what she said. You've been amazing this year. Your hard work has been incredible. And in lockdown, you've been even more impressive. Well done. Thank you for your hard work. Your drive and determination to be successful is so impressive. I know that you're going to continue to be fantastic next year. And you're going to go from strength to strength as you move into Key Stage 4 soon as well. Guys, you so deserve a brilliant summer. Have a fantastic rest over that time so you're ready to come back in September. And as we adapt to what school will look like over the next few months, maybe a little longer, I know that we can rely on you to be brilliant and mature at adapting to all of that newness. But I know that everyone will be so pleased to see you in September. So have a fantastic Year 9. You're going to have a brilliant deputy doll working with you, and I'll let them tell you who they are. And finally, I just want to say thank you to Miss Jones. You've been a fantastic head of year. I've loved working with you for the past 2 years. I'm really going to miss you. And Lambeth, I know that you're going to miss Miss Gamundi, and here she is with a little message for you. Take care, team. Have a great summer, and speak to you soon.
Hi Lambeth, I hope you're well. I wanted to send you this little video to say goodbye as I'm leaving. It's been such a joy to have you in a tutor group. It's been so lovely, to start the day with you at Bridge. I will really miss your smiles in the morning. I'll miss checking Odochin's got his calculator, his pencil sharpener. I'll miss counting Stanley's correction against Samuels. I will miss Boren pretending not to have signed his planner when he actually has. I'll miss your drawings to check whether your whiteboard pens are working, and somehow Claudia always finding a way to put in a friend's reference there. I'll miss your enthusiasm with our class reader, with the books we're reading. Remember when we read Moonrise? And then the cat died. It was tough. But we got through it, didn't we? And you guys got me through lockdown. It's been so lovely having so many of you on the call every week. It's really cheered me up. And I now know more about JoJo the anime that I've ever wished to, thanks to Abid. And it's giving us loads of recipes to try. Tell me guys debating about whether we should warm our milk in the microwave before eating our cereals. I'm not too sure about this one yet, Timmy. I haven't tried it. And so just thank you really for being such great individuals, taking part in so many competitions after I begged you to, and winning so many of them, right? Remember Araya, the Christmas competition, then we had Aya, Ying, and Dilba did really well in the photo ones over lockdown. So thank you guys. I will miss you. I hope you have a great summer. Take care and best wishes for year 9. Bye guys.
Hello Year 8, this is Mr. Ryber here. I'm very excited to say that I'll be working as your Deputy Director of Learning next year in year 9 alongside your wonderful head of year, Miss Jones. I'm very excited to work with your year group, as you're probably the year group I know the least in the school, and probably the year group that gets a lot of praises, and I always see you doing the right thing at the right time. So very excited to be joining such a wonderful year group and working alongside Miss Jones. But for now, have a great summer, and I'll see you all in September, and look forward to having conversations with you and getting to know you individually. Bye Year 8, Year 9,